Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to cover for all you Gmail users out there. Have you ever found yourself typing the same email content over and over again? Well, fret no more. In this video, we'll show you how to create email templates in Gmail, making your life a whole lot easier. So, let's dive right in. To get started, open your Gmail account and go to the Settings option, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select See All Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Advanced tab and click on it. Here, you'll find a bunch of additional features that Gmail offers. Scroll down until you see the Templates section. Now, click on Enable Radio button and then on Save Changes button. This will enable email templates for your Gmail account. To create a new template, click on Compose button. Now, it's time to compose your email template. Write the content just like you would for a regular email. Now click on the three dots at the bottom of Compose window. Click on Templates, Save Draft as Template and then click on Save as New Template. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to name your template. Give it a meaningful name that will help you identify its purpose. Once you've entered the name, click on Save to proceed. And voila! Your email template is now saved and ready to use. The next time you need to use your template, simply open a new Compose window, click on the three dots menu at the bottom right, go to Templates, and select the template you want to use. Your template will populate the Compose window, and you can make any necessary edits before sending it out. Now if you want to delete an already saved template, just click on three dots at the bottom of Compose window, hover your mouse pointer on Templates, delete template and then click on the name of the template you want to delete. And that's all there is to it. With email templates, you can save valuable time by avoiding repetitive typing and ensure consistency in your email communications. It's a great productivity feature that Gmail offers, and I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy emailing!